Hello everyone, welcome to another Palworld tutorial video. Now in this tutorial video, I will show you how to fix world saving in progress cannot start save world data in Palworld. In this video, I will show you how to do that. So usually if Palworld world data autosave failed, this occurs due to server issues or due to your bad internet connection. Now you cannot fix this error. If you cannot do it, you can go and check out the Palworld status via this link right here and make sure that it is operational today. If it's not operational, that means something happened. And as you can see, sometimes, there will be major outages right here, as you can see, and there will be incidents on, for example, a couple of days here from January 21st to 31st of January. So make sure to always check this. Or make sure to always check internet connection as well. If your internet connection is unstable, check your memory issue. So if there is insufficient memory on PC, this could trigger an issue like world saving in progress. So make sure to go to Task Manager and any unnecessary programs such as VPNs or antiviruses or anything like that. Verify game files of Palworld. You can do this on your Steam. You go just to install files, right click properties on the game that you want to do or that you want to verify. Go to install files, verify integrity of game files. Here you can run Palworld as administrator as well on your computer to solve this issue. Repeatedly type the A button. Sometimes, according to the users on Reddit, repeatedly pressing the A button can do the trick when encountering the world saving in progress error. This is just like a glitch sometimes that happens. You can also change settings to save the game data automatically. So you can just go to the settings menu, change the availability settings or available settings like audio or graphical preferences and apply these changes. You can return PALs to PALBox. So you can go to PALBox in Palworld in-game storage and then find each PAL that is following you or currently active and return it to the Palbox. Alternatively, you can uninstall and reinstall Palworld. However, in most cases, if you back up your files, if you have a good internet connection, if the servers are good, Palworld will work and will be able to save your world data. Comment down below how you fix this error. I would like to see also if you have maybe other solutions, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.